Let's start with uppercase and lowercase letter C. Starting with uppercase letter C. C is for cat. C is for car. Now let's trace the lowercase letter C. C is for cookie. Next we have the uppercase letter D. D is for dog. D is for duck. Now let's do the lowercase letter d. D is for drum.